to get water. There is no light.
Okay, my people, I thank everybody for the time we've been until they watch us on top your television. Things they happen, different things they happen. Now this monkeypox matter. Now we say we could investigate. We go they enter different hospital to hospital. But I don't enter University of Benin Teaching Hospital now. I don't come the Department of Disease Control. All this kind of yama disease will be saying no be our portion for this Obodo Nigeria. But I don't ask them now, say this monkeypox, how far? How they go take control them? How we go take prevent them? Some say na monkey, some say na squirrel, some say na rabbit. Oga, we don't know. But different things. And people they chop monkey well for this country. Like me now, I like to they chop monkey, squirrel, rats or rabbits. Some people they chop rats, but I don't know. But they say to prevent this thing now. Now to make sure say they say now bushmeat. For those of us who they chop all this animal, now to cook them well. I constantly ask professor say, those people where they city, like I said, they New York City now for Benin City now, or I did Beijing now for Benin City now. It go firstly affect us. Prof say both those ones where they village and the one where they city say this monkeypox if it happen, but it say not be severe matter like that. But I constantly ask because you know say it gets some people chickenpox don't hold them before. You know today they call chickenpox. The thing go just come out for your body, go pack, go everywhere. When the thing hold me when I did university. Many people won't know me, they run, leave me. But yourself, in case of say you don't see that kind of thing happen for your area, say somebody some kind chuku, just enter. You go investigate.
Waiting they happen.
We want to get water. There is no light.
The monkeypox.
Monkeypox. Now disease just like any other disease, but this disease is what we they call zoonotic infection. Zoonotic infection means say the disease originally na disease of animal. Now animal they sick am, but man fit get am. So this monkeypox na disease of from monkey. Now monkey they carry the yamayama where they cause am. The yamayama wey they cause am na virus.
Mommy, wait, relax, come here.
Okay.
Make we balance so that they go they watch off.
Okay.
You say this monkeypox.
Yes.
Now what they cause am?
Na yamayama wey they call virus. You know say we get many germs. The type of germ wey they cause this monkeypox na virus, and the name na monkeypox virus. Okay. But basically na monkey, that's animals like monkeys. Then another type of animal wey we they call rodents like squirrel. This bushmeat where people they eat. Yes. Sometimes their body the virus they stay. All right, or readers naturally na their body the virus they stay. But because of man's the activities where man they
the
do,
relationship will get
yes,
they chop them,
they go inside bush, they farm and all that. If monkey fit bite you, because one of the roots of transmission, that means man not speak too much or you will beg. One of the ways where the virus will enter our body now through scratch on the skin.
Yeah.
So if maybe you go bush, monkey scratch you and the skin is it's here, do you understand? Say it's here. The virus can enter this through what we call the broken skin way break. All right, so that's why we call it a zoonotic infection, because it is originally infection where the animal, and once it don't enter man, it means that man can also fit transmit am to another person, because man wey go bush gets the virus. If he go house, if it transmit am, and the way man fit transmit am to another man be say, if you know say some of the symptoms of the infection are rashes. Okay, that rash, if the fluid, the water wey dey that rash touch your skin and that skin is broken, if he enter, the virus fit enter.
How we for us now go tell no say I don't contact monkeypox. For example, now like that one that they call chickenpox now.
Yes.
That one relates to that kind of thing, because some people now chickenpox go just catch all of their body.
Yes.
Now that kind of thing.
something like that. Yes, it's like chicken pox, but different.
Okay.
It's like chicken pox. I'm sure many of us know how chicken pox be. This condition, it starts with fever. Just like as you get malaria, you go get maybe fever, backache, body go dey pain you, you are feeling tired, you are tired. But after about 3 days of say fever starts, you will come see say you dey get that kind rash wey dey appear for the body of the person wey get the monkeypox. And the rash dey be like small maybe na boil I wan call am small boil, alright? But na only by test you fit know say e dey different from other diseases like chicken pox.
Okay,
and remember, let me just say something. For some of us, dem born us the time of smallpox. This disease be like smallpox, but it's even milder. It's not serious like smallpox. Do you understand?
Okay, anywhere you dey for Nigeria now, if you dey wonder now wetin dey happen, na something dey happen. The matter wey dey on ground na the monkeypox. We don't come meet the people now, the people where they study the matter, where they control the matter. How we go to know say monkeypox don't appear for our body or it don't appear for our area? Where they come from? I seen they talk now, say if they scratch or kind our body. But those of us where they city now, you know, some of us where they side city, while some people they side village. Now combination collabo, I be people where they city are free, and people where they village.
No, people when they city not free, because some of us still they eat this bush meat.
No, you the same make we not dey chop monkey pepper soup or bush meat. This thing they.
If you cook and well, if you have to eat that, maybe
if you want eat the monkey
or squirrel, you have to cook it very well. All right, you have to cook it very well. Make it be say if you cook and make it boil well for the soup, because the yamayama, you know, the yamayama not get power like that. If you heat am well, you go die.
Okay, anywhere you dey for Nigeria, and I don't forget say this matter now. It never happen for Edo State now, but it don't appear for Bayelsa. It dey for like 12 states for Nigeria now. Now, wetin be the on top of the matter now, where federal government now, Ministry of Health now for Nigeria now, una see they study the matter, be how?
Well, yes, we dey study the matter. Wetin don happen say Federal Ministry of Health through the Nigerian Center for Disease Control NCDC don tell all the states say make dem prepare by educating people about this condition. Hospitals like UBTH now we are ready. What I mean we are ready so that if we see any case we no go fear say case of monkeypox come or suspected case. Remember that when these cases come, they are not confirmed until we've confirmed and we not fit say person get monkeypox.
Like the one where they say happened last week now, say I be last 2 weeks say somebody will get monkeypox this higher.
It's just a suspected case. It was just a suspected case, no confirmation yet. Yes, we send tests through the designated places.
Get one paper will deal with me, make a. You see this paper now?
Yes.
I don't see them now. It gets some kind of things where they now where they confuse my brain.
Okay.
Say transmission. Explain that one.
Transmission means say how the yamayama, that virus.
Monkeypox.
Yes, the monkeypox. How they enter man, that's human beings, from wherever, whether not from monkey or from another man where they get the disease.
How they enter?
Number one, like I said, if you dey bush or somehow monkey, you handle monkey or any of these animals like squirrel where they carry this yamayama, if it scratch you, you fit get it can enter like that. Or if you eat the meat of animal that is infected where you not cook well, if it enter. Okay. If for instance me I be health worker or I dey house, I dey nurse person wey get this condition, I no wash my hand, maybe I nurse am finish, clean him body finish, I rub my eye or rub my nose, something like that, if he enter my body. And then make we no dey fear, because the condition it na only the way it can enter through the respiratory tract, that's through your nose. So you breathe in.
That one what they call Ebola and this one, they get na similar something because the thing.
Well, yes, similar routes of transmission, but different in that Ebola is severe, is very very serious. This condition not get treatment, but person go well.
This monkeypox.
Yes. You not get vaccine, you not get say okay now this drug you go take, but people wey get am within 2 weeks you go well.
Okay, which one be the symptom? Like at the year you dey say fever, headache.
Headache, muscle pain, maybe you get backache or you just dey feel tired. And then about 3 days after fever don start, those una don see all the pictures now wey dem dey show. The rashes go appear first from your face, then for hand and leg. Na so the rashes dey be. Then sometimes wetin we dey call lymph nodes wey dey armpit, dey dey some parts of our body go swell. Alright? So
okay. Anyhow we go take prevent this thing like the way we dey prevent rats not to enter our house?
Yes. So as we know say if we not cook our squirrel meat well, we fit get am. It means that for those of us wey wan continue to dey eat all this kind meat, you have to cook it very well. And when you handle these animals, wash your hands very well with soap and water, not just water. Because some of us when they say wash your hands, say I wash my hand, you must wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. Okay? Then if you dey take care of anybody wey sick with maybe it's suspected or a case of this monkeypox, you should also wash your hands very well. For health workers, they need to take standard wetin we dey call standard precaution. This standard precaution not be say na when you know say person get this disease you go take standard precaution. It means that if I see any patient wey come hospital, I should take care, that's protect myself from any infection that person go get, and me too I go protect the patient. All right, so hand hygiene, wetin we dey call hand hygiene, washing our hands with soap and water is so important. Remember say during the Ebola time, wetin we teach hand hygiene, make we dey wash our hands with soap and water. If we wash our hands with soap and water, most of the infections wey we dey get will be reduced.
Okay, now wey be say this thing don happen like this now, federal government now or Ministry of Health, they get any plan to kill all the monkey, or any monkey wey dey Nigeria, squirrel, rat, they get any plan to eliminate them? You know, if not the one will go tell our security agency, Operation Kill All the Monkey, because we don't tire for all this guy. But plan dey from federal government, and they on top of the matter for this monkey pox.
Yes, we are. Federal government may not be federal government, but there's the important thing is that federal government don't recognize this problem dey. The states are aware, the state commissioners and the hospitals are prepared. So our own for hospital be say we go dey watch. All the health workers go dey watch. So if you see any case, because it's important say if we see any case, that case must be isolated. Wetin we mean isolated be say you no put that patient for where other people dey. All right, even if na suspected case, once you suspect a case, you go isolate am. And UBTH, like I said, we are ready for that.
If for my area now I can't discover say somebody that kind chuku don't come out for anybody, what I go do? Because some people now go sell for their area, say their neighbor.
Yeah.
They don't live for a house, so maybe na monkeypox or na chickenpox, and they don't want to make anybody know. What we go do?
That's why we dey educate people. Say make dem not hide. So if you know such a person, go tell am say go hospital. This thing not go kill you. Say the disease is mild. Let me put it like that. As it's not too serious
that
like that.
Not fear.
May we not fear. But it's good say may we come hospital, because apart from that person wey get the disease, others wey don come in close contact with am, we need to also monitor them. Yes, so that we go ensure say them too not go come down with that condition. We have to monitor them.
Waiting dey happen.
You know, get water. There is no light.
Monkeypox. This infection now from bushmeat, especially monkey, rat and squirrel. Now the fluid from this animal they cause am all. Person wey get this infection go dey get fever, headache, back pain, rashes for all in body like chicken pox, but no be chicken pox na monkey pox. The only way to stop this ogbonge yamayama infection na to dey stop eating bush meat. Abi any bush meat wey don die, especially monkey, rat and squirrel. Make we try to dey wash our hand with soap and water before eating any food. Sanitizer good if we get time to dey wash and regularly. Make all of our health workers dey use protective instrument, medicine wey fit cure this ogbonge infection. Never dey.
Soon, waiting they happen.
You don't get water. There is no light.
How is the family, sir? How is your head, sir?
We thank God.
Okay, you don't hear of this monkey pox?
I never hear.
You never hear them? Okay, you the chop monkey?
No, where I go see monkey chop.
You the chop squirrel?
No.
Okay, you don't hear of monkey pox before?
Then I saw they talk. Who say then say?
You the chop monkey?
Where when I from my village?
You the chop squirrel?
Where when I?
Address from you.
Why you go dress? Come here.
Don't touch me. Sister, well done. Oh, how's everything? I know. How is the family?
We are fine.
Madam, you don't hear of monkey pox before?
I don't hear them.
Let me say you the chop monkey.
I cannot. I don't.
Or you the chop squirrel. But
no.
how you see them? Because all these diseases what they announced to us for this country, I feel say not be our portion, no.
But now waiting Bible talk. So different things go they come out.
Eh?
Yes, different things go they happen. So we should even expect more. Because many diseases we will never hear of, they will still come. Now Bible talk. You hear me?
You say more disease go still come. But God, this thing not be our portion for Africa. Oh. Now monkey I want buy for this Christmas. What it be foul? Now monkey.
You know say it's copy like human head, child.
Okay, you don't hear of this monkey pox before?
Yes, so.
How?
Are they young for everywhere? Everywhere.
What they say they
They say na school here they cause am. But me I dey chop school here.
You dey chop monkey then?
No,
if you know they chop squirrel, you dey chop monkey?
No, monkey, no. But people say monkey they suit well.
But monkey they sweet. Why they? But all these kind of things what they happen for this country. We never tell we hear of bird flu. We never tell we hear of Ebola. We hear of Lassa. Now monkey. I thank everybody for the time we listen until they watch us on top television, ITV. Monkey the sweet.
Cheapo.
No, you the chop monkey.
Where?
Now they never arrest you.
Who arrest me? Na me belle. Now they shop I go cook am where firewood now they use.
Be able to cook am. God talk and say when the world won't end, different things go dey happen. Now just to give our life to God. If they do bad,
you say what go to true
it go end because
for how long? For how many years? It go end. For how long?
It go end.
The person to answer for how long we want it.
Wait. Because he said we go hear the rumor. You know, come near. Don't be to cook monkey with gas or firewood.
I dey fine.
This situation where you carry come this hospital so not be your portion.
Amen.
From now to the end of this year, anybody will get plan for you, Arabanko.
He said.
That's Hirado State.
Okay, you the chop monkey.
Iwario or cheap. Agana Wasaki. Nana taking 15, 800, 700 over there. Wakai, what ye, Uji go bear. Why you go bear when I tell you go? Smoke. Why yak ben Zozo, yo way. Where are you know? Cigar in Nuria men for your. Oh! Guy, are you were?
So you the chop monkey where
you are? I am one. I go even on. I'm with me. I'm a paladia. A doka me a ropa. A bama kedia. Why can I tag was soon?
You say you the chop monkey?
Yeah, at the chopper. This is nothing.
Okay, what else, sir? How is the family, sir?
Oh, thank you.
Okay, you don't hear of this monkey pox before?
Monkey pox. I hear them for radio. There's one monkey pox. They whether not from Calabar area or that kind of thing.
Don't enter Nigeria. They like 12 states, but that means you the chop monkey.
Me?
Because they say monkey bushmeat or school and now anything for
I dey chop monkey. Monkey dey sweet now.
Okay, shake me. They say even shake enough, he make the thing. Okay, you don't have monkey pox before monkey pox.
Monkey pox. That's one a new disease. I never heard of it before. What is monkey pox? Now monkey will get pox. They pause. I mean they pause.
You the chop monkey?
I never chop monkey before.
You the chop squirrel?
Squirrel, yes.
No wonder you dey activate like
no, so now.
But they say that if it cause the monkey pox.
You know, cause don't mind that. Now whether something they change, whether they change for animal, they change for man too.
This country now.
Wow. They chop monkey. They kill monkey. They bring am come house. We dey fry am. They chop am with banana yam and what do you call it? So the thing dey sweet. Whether I change for forest, na in contact thing. Whether I no change here. So happy say make dem no chop monkey now for me for me
now.
No good.
Then make dem not still chop squirrel too.
Yes, no good.
But if like say you dey sick now, make God not let you sick.
Amen.
If you dey sick, what you dey do?
I go hospital.
Okay, na hospital you dey go.
In hospital I go.
Because some people don't, if they sick, they'll just go chemist.
Chemist? They won't kill themselves. They go kill themselves now. Chemist just give you drugs. We no pertain to the thing where they do you. But if you go to hospital, they go examine you. They go do tests for your body, bring out to your blood, your urine. They go test them very well.
I want to invite you for my party.
What do you want to do?
Next week I'm celebrating.
What?
I am frying 265 monkey.
What?
265 monkey.
For this Nigeria?
For Benin City, yeah.
People not go eat out.
Huh?
Yes.
Okay.
People not go eat out.
I want to fry 300 squirrel.
No, make it 1,000.
Okay, you dey chop monkey.
Confirm. Now confirm meat now. Without being told. Now confirm meat. When you dry am, when you chop am, you go say you know chop another meat.
Monkey?
Yes, confirm one.
But you never yet say the thing that they carry disease.
Oh, now the sin when we commit, now they cause all that one. Nothing like you say animal they call carry disease. Where you forget the disease? Now for where they jump up and down for where you want see monkey, where you want carry disease. Now we are seeing.
Doctors, professors, don't talk. I say
forget that one. Now we are seeing. When we commit, now they carry all this kind of disease.
That means you dey chop monkey and squirrel too. You dey chop squirrel.
Oh, now confirm it. If you get her for pocket now, bring am. You bring am out now, may I chop am for your
present.
present.
You say the monkey pox not dey?
Now they know, now the name where they give am.
You know what they call chicken pox?
Now today we dey see chicken pox. Now today,
chicken pox.
During the time of our forefathers, we dey hear chicken pox. Not be today. Forget that one, they just measure that one, say they just give them another name.
Federal government, they don't suspect this.
I know about monkey pox now. Why not? I know you off and well.
What did they say be?
Monkey pox. I thought it would be like chicken pox for body.
But not be chicken pox, so.
I know, but may I tell you one thing?
Tell me.
They need to avoid wetin concern monkey, concern human. You know why?
Why?
May I tell you why?
Tell me why.
Make them chop banana. Na monkey o. You don't know this jacket wey you wear so monkey jacket. Make they avoid that. You don't contact them.
You don't bring banana. Oh,
banana no good. Banana na for monkey. You don't know.
Yeah, this country now wa. But you dey chop monkey.
Over the flesh, nothing dey happen. You see that fowl when they turn neck like this? He go slaughter and take pepper sauce and chop am. Nothing dey happen. Not everything. See, people go say they know they drink well water. Bring a cup, we drink am. Nothing dey happen. It don't tell us here.
You go die you.
You no go die you.
You go die you.
Now
squirrel.
Now when they jump for tree to tree.
They say still they cause the monkey pox o.
Now squirrel so I tell you what you go just do. As you just kill am, not try.
Sorry sir. I invite this lady for my party. For Aso Rock for Abuja, and she's going to take a flight. I only tell her say na fried rice and monkey. I don't order for 265 monkey wey we wan fry. She said she's not going.
How she go when we say monkey now? They cause monkey pox. Now they cause of monkey pox now. You have been on no. Everyone for Bayelsa when they say they recover monkey pox case. They say everybody no eat monkey. Make go eat monkey. Make go catch monkey pox. You know what I mean? I now see go.
But I'm very surprised the way you take. I'm very surprised the way you react.
No, I don't go.
The way you react for this.
Because I'm Nigerian though. I want to live. I want to live long life and prosperity. I don't know. I didn't know.
So much she not come the party now.
At all. Me give her another meat. Not be monkey. This is the chicken not there. Goat meat not there. I mean, I say that cow not there. I mean, I say all those peri fish. Fried fish.
Okay, what I do you?
You not do anything, but
what I do you? What I do you?
You not do anything, but I tell you the truth.
That I'm putting her in first class to Abuja for my party.
But no monkey o. No monkey wa go.
Don't fry and well now.
No, I beg monkey pause o. Monkey pause.
So. better day this matter. May I tell you, you understand? Once you reach Abuja now, I'll put you in a first class hotel.
Okay.
You understand?
What happened now?
Huh? You have to agree that you have to chop this monkey.
No.
Okay, now we know say we do on television now. I go give you 3.5 million naira for you to chop this monkey.
No way.
3.5 million naira,
No
my God.
You chop am.
No way.
You chop am.
No way.
3.5 million naira. 3.5 million to chop this monkey.
Chop monkey.
Chop monkey.
Chop applicants follow am.
Hey, say if you chop the monkey, you swallow applicants, Jonah.
No way.
Babe, 3.5 million.
No.
You know chop monkey.
No.
For my party.
No.
Man, chop am.
If you don't come my party, I go naked bath for bedroom.
If I don't come here, parents bury me with it.
I don't prepare 265 monkey we want fry.
Oba say to Obo. And I go invite fowl and goat. 2 of us go eat them.
Yes, I want to talk something.
At this junction of being now, you don't like him?
I like it, but I love it. I need it this way, but psychologically, we don't vote government to be taking our people to Oko. Are you hearing me? We don't vote that government to be taking our women, our men to Oko, to White House, because many of the drivers, they are in White House now. In respect of their breaking the law, most of the women selling market here, they are in the White House, in detention. In respect of that, because they are selling the market. We did not bring government to be taking our people to Oko. Then we take them to mobile court, from mobile court to Black Maria. I only believe that it's only armed robber, thief, 419 that they do supposed to take today. But now market women are there in Oko.
But you know say our people too stubborn. If government say come up for year and you continue to enter that place,
it's good method of approach. It's good method of approach. That sweep out the millions of trouble under the carpet. It's not
what you say.
As you can see, I just debate myself. They come out for Oko. So
how much?
Now my motto key 20,000 fan or I'll serve 2 weeks. Since on Saturday night they owe me now today. Inside that new filling station before St. Saviour Junction, because of my motor they give forth. I park inside the filling station. Now they owe me put see my motor key for my hand.
They carry you go the mobile court.
They carry me come mobile court, sentence me to 2 weeks imprisonment or 20,000 fine.
6 praise after the gutter.
Suffer.